module, we'll understand how to use parameters to sort a particular table in Tableau. So usually by default, when you create a table and which have like multiple measure values, if you hover your cursor over to the measure header, you will see these options, basically these three small lines which you can use to sort either ascending or descending order for the table. But there is another way of doing that by using a parameter. So for example, here, since my default selection is sales, and this is a parameter that I have created, you can see this table has been sorted in the descending order of sales. Now if I select profit, it gets sorted based on profit values. Similarly, if I select quantity, it gets sorted by quantity, and finally by discount. Right, so let's understand how to do this in Tableau. So I will create a new sheet because I have already implemented this in the previous sheet, and I will also delete the calculations that I have already done to start it from scratch and show you. Okay, so now let's begin. So the first step to use a parameter for sorting is obviously to create a parameter first, right? So I will create a parameter, name it as sort by, make the data type as string, and I will go to allowable values as list. Here I will add all the measure value names: sales, profit, discount, and quantity. Okay, so your first step is done. We have created a parameter. Right, now let's start bringing the values into the table. So I will bring subcategory, I will bring sales, quantity, profit, and discount. Okay, and I will also show the parameter over here. So currently, if you select something in the sort by parameter, nothing will happen because we have not linked it using a calculated field, right? So second step is to create a calculated field. For this one also, I will name it as sort by, and here I will create a case function. Okay, so this will be the logic. I will fill the values within these colons later. And finally for discount and end. Okay, so now we have to put the same measure value names. So your calculated field is done. So if you see the logic here, when the sort by, basically when we select sales in the parameter, then it will pick up the measure value sales. Similarly, if you select profit, then it will pick up the profit measure. If you select quantity, then quantity measure, and same for discount, then discount measure. Click apply, click OK. Now the last step is to use this sort logic over here. Okay, so click on sort, go to sort by field. Okay, by default you will see data source order, but select field over here. Sort order will be descending. And now the last and important step is, in the field name we have to select the same measure value, the calculator field that we just created, which is sort by. Okay, and that's it. This is done. So once I close this, now you will see this parameter to be working. Okay, so let's see, let's select the first parameter value as sales. Yeah, so here you see this table has been sorted by in descending order of sales. Similarly, if I select profit, this gets sorted by profit. If I select discount, it gets sorted by discount, and finally by quantity. Yeah, so this is how we do that. Let me know for any questions in the comment section and I will reply back to that. Thanks for watching.